My name is Bob Killen. I'm a technical program manager for the CNCF. But probably for this, what's more relevant is that I'm a longtime Kubernetes maintainer. I'm here to cover some myths and truths about Kubernetes. Myth: Kubernetes is easy. Truth: it's a lot more complex than what it seems. While there's been a lot to reduce the barrier of entry to Kubernetes, it is still very complex. You are literally having to learn essentially a cloud provider and everything that would be involved with that. Things like storage, network, compute, auto-scaling, all these things, you have to learn new primitives within Kubernetes itself. Myth: you can get going with Kubernetes without having to know a lot about containers. Truth: containers are the fundamental of Kubernetes. They're the little building block of every single part in it. You need to know the fundamentals, like how to expose a port, or how to map storage into the container, or how, honestly, the container image is built itself, and how they are pulled down and how they run. If you don't know these things, if you don't know the basics, you're going to have a very difficult experience trying to get going in Kubernetes. Myth: you can get going with containers without having to know anything about Linux. Truth: very, very wrong. You need to understand the fundamentals of Linux and how it works to even build a container image or to run it. When you create a pod in Kubernetes, or any object in Kubernetes, you're still going to be passing Linux commands to the container itself to start and run. So having that fundamental knowledge is essential to having a successful Kubernetes and container journey. Thanks so much. I'll see you around the cloud.